Hey everybody, I'm glad you're here. My name is Betsy Lafferty, and after reading the articles that Doc Moody had posted for our first assignment, I thought I would try to tell you a little bit about who I am, not just what my title is. So here goes. I am a proud and often tired mom and wife. I have three kiddos. I have a freshman, fifth grader, and third grader that keep me on my toes. I am an outgoing and enthusiastic PE teacher who loves to try new things and be super active in my classroom. And I help teach my students to value their strengths as individuals and then how they can integrate those skills as a team. I really believe that my purpose is to help my students and fellow educators understand and appreciate their unique worth. Because when they can just know how special and their talents and what they are, they can be successful in just about anything. I teach at Wyndham Elementary School. I might be biased, but I really do think it is one of the best schools and staff out there. It is part of the USD 444 school district. It's Little River Wyndham. And then we also have quite a few students from the Marquette area as well. This is my 11th year at Wyndham and 14th year in education as a whole. We have a fantastic principal. His name is John Payton. He truly puts kids first in his decisions, and he's just a really great guy. I think Wyndham is a forward-thinking and fun atmosphere. And some of the hats that I wear at school are I'm the PE health teacher for pre-K 6. I help with title, math, and reading in the mornings. I am the lead negotiator for Wyndham. I coach track and basketball, and I am also on the steering committee, which is helping our district get ready for our upcoming bond issue. I really think that communication is key to keeping people in the loop, helping them feel important, and then just letting them feel like they are part of something. The forms of communication that I use, and this is kind of the order from greatest to least, is email. It's an everyday use. Face-to-face conversation, which I actually like the most. Things just don't get lost in translation this way. I also use Facebook, mostly to update parents and let them know upcoming events or what's going on. I use Twitter also, and that's a lot for sports as well. I make phone calls if needed to parents. We have a district messaging system that I use and is available to us. PowerSchool is our grading software that I often use to let parents and students know important things. I text, have some groups. I use GroupMe occasionally, mostly for my sport teams, and then also Instagram for just showing people some things we're doing at school. The purchase versus provided, most of them are actually a personal use or personal accounts. The provided ones that the school has are PowerSchool, our district messaging, and our email. Actually, I don't know. I'm sure there's other really great ways to communicate out there. So I'd love to hear from you guys and learn from you about some other great methods that you use, either in your classrooms or for sports teams or for both, just to get the word out so parents and kids and other school members know what's going on. And I guess that I'm unaware if there's anything that's unavailable to me. Usually our principal's pretty good at allowing us to use things we bring to him. So like I said, if you guys have great things, I can't wait to hear about them. Following district policies, I'm not aware, I guess I should say, of strategic policies our district has. However, I really try to keep in mind other district policy and also professionalism standards when communicating with administrators, teachers, parents, and students. I want the people that I work with and for to feel like they can trust me by giving them information, but I also want them to know that I value them and I value their opinions and I value their time, and I want them to feel like they're really a part of something and know what's going on. When I communicate, I often ask myself a couple questions. First, how would I want to be treated? And also, what information is important for me to know? These are two guiding questions that just help me treat people the way that they need to be treated and respected, and also by giving them the correct amounts of information so they feel like they, like I said, are a part of something. I really believe that good communication can alleviate many problems, and then it can also foster a sense of trust and respect in an organization. We don't want people to have no clue what's happening, and we want to be able to reach them in the easiest ways possible for them. I really can't wait to learn from all of you. I know that I have so much to learn, and I really enjoyed this journey so far. So I hope you all had a great Christmas, and we'll have a happy new year, and I can't wait to get to meet you a little bit better. Thanks.